In the previous videos, we already created two most important services of microservice architecture. 1. Spring Cloud Eureka Server, responsible to maintain the registry of all the microservice that has been deployed and removed. 2. Spring Cloud Config Server, manage centralized configurations. In this video we are going to show you how to register microservice within Eureka Server. When a client microservice registers with Eureka Server, it provides metadata such as host, port, and health indicator, thus allowing for other microservices to discover it. The discovery server expects a regular heartbeat message from each microservice instance. If an instance begins to consistently fail to send a heartbeat, the discovery server will remove the instance from his registry. This way we will have a very stable ecosystem of microservices collaborating among each other, and on top of it we don't have to manually maintain address of other microservice, which is a next to impossible task if the scale up down is very frequent, on demand, and we use virtual host to host the services, especially in the cloud environment. Now I'm going to add Spring Cloud Eureka Client dependency to our config microservice. The purpose of this, register config service microservice within Eureka Server as a client microservice. Let's add annotations. There are two annotations to do that. @enable Eureka Client and @enable Discovery Client. I'm adding @enable Eureka Client. What's the difference between two annotations? Discovery service concept in Spring Cloud is implemented in different ways like Eureka, Console, Zookeeper, etc. If you are using Eureka by Netflix, then @enable Eureka Client is specifically for that. But if you are using any other service discovery including Eureka, you can use @enable Discovery Client. Finally, in the configuration file, you should add Eureka service URL. In this microservices tutorial series we are developing following microservices: Eureka Service, Config Service, Auth Service, Student Service, and Gateway Service. So, every microservice should have Eureka Client dependency except Eureka Service. In the next video, we will see how Student Service register with Eureka Server and how to pick centralized configurations from Config Service. Now everything is okay. You can run and test your application. You can see now config service registered within Eureka Server. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.